that's what happens in this game. You know, you take the ups with the downs. We had a tremendous season. Went 12-0 in the regular season and lost the national championship game on the field goal with no time left on the clock. And, you know, a lot of other people would like to be in your situation, but that's what happens. That's what makes this game great. It was a heck of a football game.
Now, a lot of front porches in Alabama have some newspapers that will frame and hang on the wall forever. Believe it, a year longer as Auburn average over 3 game on the ground this season, but Nick Fairley down on that Oregon rushing attack. Maybe they got help from the turf. It was a bit slippery, certainly. In this game, the Ducks really struggled when Auburn stacked the box with 8 or more defenders. Back there with Robert Smith, and again, Nick Fairley, 6'4", 300 pounds, and he's a man. He turns 23 years old this month. This isn't like a 20-year-old kid. He's a full-grown man. How was he and the rest of the line and the linebackers able to stop the run?
Well, I think it's a technique issue, especially when you talk about the zone read plays that a lot of offenses employ. A lot of times they're blocking an outside technique, call it a 5 technique, a guy that's on or outside the tackle. But a lot of offenses are doing this to an